The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. It's that time of the year again. We're going to save you some time by showing you where to find your tax documents for 5 of the major cryptocurrency exchanges right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. These are not going to be in any particular order. We're just going to get in, get out, and get on with your day. We're going to start with Uphold, and we're going to go down the menu and select Activity. And in the first column on the right side, there's your documents. Go ahead and click that. Once those documents are available for 2025, you'll find them here. Next up is Coinbase. This one's a little hidden. You're going to scroll down the menu on the left-hand side, select See All, scroll down further, and there's your tax option. And once again, once those forms are ready, you're going to see those tax forms for 2025 right there on this page. Click the View Documents button, and the IRS tax forms for 2025 will be on this page. You have a series of custom reports for each one of those forms for each year that you filed. For Kraken, you're going to go over to the right-hand side of the screen, click on the drop-down menu under your name, and there's your taxes button or icon. Click on that, and once again, they'll be ready as soon as February, I think the first or second week. You're going to go ahead and click that Get Started, and you'll have access to your tax documents for the years ready. Looks like they're up and running. With Gemini, much like Kraken, you're going to go ahead and click on your profile icon and then click Settings. After you get to the Settings page, you scroll down and your statements and taxes are on the left-hand side of the screen. They'll be ready in about 3 to 5 business days for 2026. And finally, Robinhood, probably the easiest of them all. Go ahead and click on Account, scroll down to Tax Center. They'll let you know when they're ready. They'll give you an email. And that's it. Why waste time? Let me know what you think in the comment section. See what I can do for you. Drop a question, drop a comment, and I'll talk to you later.